Well, what's the crack? Welcome to Absolutely Marinated, a show where I have a few cans, cook some things and tell you about it. I say some cans, I've got an absolutely fucking massive can here from Gravity Heights. Cheers, lads. I couldn't get a regular 4-pack from me, so I got this massive tile boy, so let's open it up. Shit, can. Right, hold on. I'm going to be making some jambons. Jambons are basically puff pastry, like egg, cheese and ham. They're fucking savage, lads. They're super easy, so let's get fucking stuck in. So the story behind this video is I was chatting to the Owen Colgan there from the old Hardy Books, gas count, and he basically put the question to me.
I fucking love jambons. Now the only thing is, I'd wonder how you'd go about making them.
This video is going out to that cunt, and I'll leave a link below to his Patreon for this podcast. Savage. Ingredients, lads, are fairly straightforward, nothing hectic here. Some cheese, some ham. I'm making these fancy by throwing some sliced chorizo. You can use the puff pastry that you get out of any supermarket. Just get the supermarket stuff, lads, the pre-made, because making your own puff pastry is a pain in the hole. Peas there in that sentence. But what you do need is some eggs and some Irish cheddar, if you can get it at all. Prep for this, lads, is as easy as a spelling test in second class. Just take all your ingredients and dice it up. I've thrown in a bit of American cheddar there just for shits and giggles, just to cube it up. With that stuff cubed up, take your Irish cheddar or whatever sharp Irish cheese you can get and get your smallest grater. You want your smallest grate here, lads, because it just helps incorporate the egg mixture throughout evenly. I've thrown my 3 eggs into a cup there and bait it. You don't need any salt because between the salt of the cheese and the ham, you don't have a bit more, but if you want to throw in a bit of black pepper, go at it, you know. So with your eggs beaten up, throw it into your egg mixture, throw all your cubed ingredients in that you prepared earlier, and then once you have that kind of mixed in, I like to throw in a bit of parmesan too, because these are fancy jambons. And now that my frozen puff pastry is no longer frozen, I have thrown a bit of flour and just kind of flattened it out a bit without rolling it in. Life hack there, lads, use a pizza wheel, and as long as you have a good eye, you can make even squares. No, I didn't do any of that. Mine are even a shite, as we'll see, but look, it doesn't matter. These are artisanal jambons, so not to be worrying about fucking size, as long as it has all the ingredients there and you're good to go. Portion out evenly, yeah, just ignore those go down the middle, and all you do is just pinch the edges together. So with your jambons sorted, put them onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Trust me, you need to put parchment paper down, otherwise you'll have a bad time, you won't get them off. And with a bit of your broken egg mixture, just brush it over the top. That's it, lads. All you do then is horse them into an oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, depending on how cooked you want your jambons. And if you don't know what 400 degrees Fahrenheit is in Celsius, I don't know off the top of my head either, just Google it. And that's it, lads. That's how you make jambons, and it kind of perplexes me as how you'd nearly want to remortgage your house to buy 5 of them. But sure, that is what it is, I suppose. And shout out to Owen Colgan, who is one of the main inspirations for this jambon video. His love for jambons and all things Deli related knows no bounds. This one is for him. I'll put a link below to his Patreon for the podcast he does every week, and his guest. But sure, anyways, lads, thanks for watching. Good luck. Well, sure, if you made it this far, you're as well stay going. There's other videos here. There'll probably be something here to like and subscribe, so make sure you hit that, lad. And there's probably videos here that you'll probably, or it might be this side either, you know. But yeah, thanks for watching, and be sure to hit the bell as well. Be sure to hit the fucking bell. Cheers. Good luck.